Home Show.
Steve from Idlewood has a question about getting some remodeling help.
Well, his home was built in 1940 and it needs a little facelift, Tom. Steve writes, my wife and I want to remodel, but I have an idea what I want, which I'm assuming she's already signed off on because he's been married a while, right? But I have no idea whether my vision is possible or even practical. Should my first step be to hire an architect to explore these options and tell me whether my vision is doable?
You know, it's funny. In my house, Sandra, she's on her computer. She's in her room. I could put an addition on the back of the house. She could care less because she's in her room on her computer, and dinner time's at 6:30. That's all that matters. So people are different. But in this case, if he's got some vision, then he needs to talk to someone. I don't think he needs to go to a full architect firm unless he's just doing something really extravagant. But we have a great Certified Home Show Pro sponsor, so to speak, Trifection, right? You call them, they will sit with you, and they have designers that can work it all out, give you pricing. You know, you pay for that service just like you would with an architect, and sometimes they'll make a deal with you. If they actually get to build it, you'll have to talk to them about the specifics, and there are other good remodelers that do the same thing. But go to a remodeling company that has a design team that can walk you through it. You'll pay less money. They'll be able to work it to see what you want to do and then how much it costs. And then you'll have a good idea whether you want to say, no, I'll scale back, or forget it, I'm not going to do it. But at least you go through the process without having to hire a big architect firm and spend a lot of money you really don't need to on a room addition and a remodel of like we call a whole house remodel. And they do a lot of that.
Yeah, in fact, they not only do, like you're saying, Tom, room additions, but they'll build a house right up out of the ground. And they have that level of experience to do the job. And when you see their craftsmanship, you know, you're like, that's why we prefer Trifection and recommend them so highly. They've done work in Tom's house. They've done work with my house. They've did our entire office here. So
they did.
Yeah, that's true.
And they can do the remodel of the house. You want to put a beautiful addition on, but if you just do that and don't do the rest of the house, it doesn't kind of mesh. So what they can do is keep that theme and redo the old part so it fits with the new part, and all of a sudden you think you have a brand new home. So that's where you have the talent, as opposed to, hey, I just put this room on the back of your house with a little bathroom, and you know it's just what it is. And windows don't match, doors don't match,
sure,
things like
exactly. And the other piece of that is, you know, when you talk about your vision and what you want on the house, it's possible, like you say, maybe my vision isn't possible. Maybe there's a way they can make your vision something you didn't see in the first place and make the house even more than you were thinking of, and do it at a very reasonable price too. So,
you know, a big mistake people make, I know we're going along here, but you think you know exactly what you want, but you keep an open mind, because when you go to the professionals, they'll come up with something, and if you keep an open mind and look at it, you go, wow, that's better than what I thought I was going to get. I did the same thing with a shower, and Jeff said, what if I build this wall out a little bit here? And I thought, I'm an architect. I didn't think of that. That's beautiful. Worked out great. So they do it every day. They'll see what you don't see.
He has, and it's kind of like why are police able to solve crimes when criminals think they can get away with it? Because they see more crimes than a criminal does. So right. I'm not saying that he's a criminal, but it's not a crime what he does. But I'm saying when Jeff and his team walk into a house, they've seen it so many times. They know the bones of your house and what they can do with it, and take it in a whole new direction for you. So, Steve, I think that'd be a good first step for you.
I think it'd be a great step.
You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out. Go to visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom button, fill out that form, send it in, and we'll create a video just like this for you. Plus, not only can you send us your question and pictures, but now we made it possible for you to send us videos. That's right. Go to HomeShowRadio.com. It's easy to do. Go ahead and click on the Ask Tom button and learn more.